welcome to my YouTube channel. Masaseka is my name. If you're new here, we do all things lifestyle, beauty and fashion. Feel free to become part of my family. I'd really love to have you. In fact, you're welcome because I know you're just about to hit the subscribe button. If you're a returning subby, hello, how you do? It's such a wonderful Sunday morning today and I would have gone to church. I unfortunately did not because I played a very risky game of snoozing my alarm, and well, let's just say 2 hours later we're filming this instead. This video I'm gonna be reshuffling my, why does it look a mess when I start talking about it? I'm gonna be reorganizing my shoe rack. These are the shoes that are gonna be picking. They're not a lot, I just have enough, okay? And gonna be, some of these boxes are empty, some are full. I mean, not full, but they already have shoes inside. So what normally happens is, since a warmer season is here, I'm gonna be removing these type of shoes, and then I'm gonna be having more of, these are my little boots. I got these from Options. So I'm gonna be removing these since it's been warm and they've been my go-to. I'm gonna be packing them away. I use boxes. I know there's these little containers that people normally feel are aesthetically pleasing and whatever, and maybe some other time. Today is not that day. We're not, that's not what we're doing today. Today we're using what we have and we're packing what we have. That's all. We are keeping this minimal, we're keeping this doable, okay? We are not trying to choke ourselves with anything like that. So you're gonna notice that I have some other shoes that look something like these. You're gonna find mostly my heels. These are like shoes that I can wear both in a cold season and also in a warm season. So obviously they're gonna be here because I can use them in both seasons. So yeah, don't forget to like and subscribe, and I hope you guys enjoy. Mwah. So thank you so much you guys for watching. I am feeling allergic after what I just did. I think I inhaled a lot of dust, so I'm having lemon water. And I also took a Claritine tablet to try and ease the whole thing that is going on with my body right now. Please, if for example the last time you dealt with your shoe rack was, but you know what, it hasn't been long. First of all, I think I cleaned those probably 2 weeks ago. Okay, 2 weeks ago it's a lot. But I just felt the dust was okay. My nose hasn't set up. Anyway, thank you guys so much for watching. I couldn't do all my shoes because I started having this allergic reaction. And if you do need a part 2 of the shoes, you can let me know. And also feel free to let me know which ones are your favorite, or if there's any organizing tip I may have missed. Feel free to share. I'm always willing to learn. And keep your criticism polite. Thank you. I know I didn't do my toenails. Neither did I do my hand nails. We are keeping a low budget this month. Like I said in my other video, this month has been monthing. So yeah, those things are out of my budget. Anyway, thank you guys so much for watching. Don't forget to like and to subscribe for more amazing content, okay? Till we meet again. Bye. And please comment. I love hearing from you guys. I know you guys like emailing your comments. Please comment here. Please. It really helps the video as well. Thank you. Until we meet again. Bye.